Hey, welcome! This modern kitchen was designed for a girl who enjoys cooking, and today she is making samosa. First, let's check the kitchen workflow. Wet storage, washing area, preparation area, and cooking area. Make sure to create a space for hot pots and pans to rest. Organized kitchen makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Leave your dishes to dry by hiding them inside the dish drainer cabinet. When you store items near where you need it, it will minimize the movement around the kitchen. When preparing food, store the kitchen gadgets near the preparation area. Store ingredients on the top storage near the preparation area. Glass container makes it easy for you to track what you have in stock and how much of it you have left. Add labels to help you identify better. Store those junk food up high so you won't be tempted to eat them too often. Store items you use frequently in an open shelving. They double as display and add character to your kitchen. Roots vegetable needs to be stored in an open environment so that they last longer. If you, like many others, like to eat while working, why not just work at the kitchen? Simple storage to store your work stationery and cables will help you organize your work area better. Make sure you have enough lighting to do your work.